Hi friends, my name is Satvik, branch Computer Science and Engineering of Section C, roll number 20951A05G4. The topic which I got for Tech Talk is applications of green chemistry. In my talk, I will be covering what is green chemistry and applications of green chemistry. What is green chemistry? Green chemistry is the design of chemical products and processes that reduce or eliminate the use or generation of hazardous substances. Green chemistry applies across the life cycle of a chemical product, including its design, manufacture, use, and disposal. Green chemistry is also known as sustainable chemistry. Applications of green chemistry. It helps plants and animals suffer less harm from toxic chemicals in the environment, lower potential for global warming, ozone depletion, and smog formation, less chemical disruption of ecosystems, less use of landfills, especially hazardous waste landfills. Using CNG vehicles will help a lot to decrease air pollution. The effects of green chemistry on human health. Less release of hazardous chemicals to air, leading to less damage to lungs. Less release of hazardous chemical waste to water, leading to cleaner drinking and recreational water. Increased safety for workers in the chemical industry. Less use of toxic materials. Less personal protective equipment required, less potential for accidents, safer consumer products of all types. New safer products will become available for purchase. Some products, example drugs, will be made with less waste. Some products will be replacements for less safe products. Safer food. Elimination of persistent toxic chemicals that can enter the food chain. Safer pesticides that are toxic only to specific pests and degrade rapidly after environment. Many chemicals end up in the environment by intentional release during use, example pesticides, by unintended releases including emissions during manufacturing or by disposal. Green chemicals either degrade to innocuous products or are recovered for further use. Plants and animals suffer less harm from toxic chemicals in the environment. Lower potentials for global warming, zone depletion, and smog formation. Less chemical disruption of ecosystems. I would like to say what is sustainable chemistry. Sustainability means reusing of renewable resources rather than using non-renewable resources. For example, if you take the case of generation of electricity, instead of thermal processes, we can use wind energy, solar energy, and also hydraulic electricity for generation of electricity, which are renewable resources. That means which can be replenished or which doesn't have extent in the environment. Whereas non-renewable resources like coal, petroleum gases have some limits and they will not be replenished within a certain period of time. So usage of these sustainable resources will help us in maintaining sustainable chemistry. For example, if you take the example of vehicles, if you use CNG vehicles instead of petroleum vehicles, we can help the environment by protecting it from harmful gases like carbon monoxide, and also we can we will avoid using of petroleum gases which are non-renewable. With this talk, I hope that you have gained some knowledge about applications of green chemistry and what is green chemistry, sustainable development. So I would like to take leave from you. Thank you and Jai Hind.